No, you're good. Welcome everyone to the channel. So today's video, my dad and I went ahead, came into the barn right now until we finish it, and then it's our shop, and removed all the old wiring and lights like that. So you'll see us today do that. We tested out some of the tools because we needed to use tools while working. And we also got something new for the tractor that you'll see us use, which this boy right here, it's forks. Put a pallet on it, used it to go up and down instead of just climbing on a ladder and all that good stuff. So it actually went pretty smooth. It was quick, probably took us about an hour or so. So we got some pretty good work done today. We started working on this corner over here, seeing how rotted it is and how much stuff we need to replace and repair, and you'll see that at the end. I'll let that just play out instead of voicing over, because that's what I'll probably do for the rest of the video. Used the skill saw by Flex. It's pretty awesome. The only issue I have with it is it's heavy and there's a delay. So since it's electric, there's a delay when you initiate the trigger. Same thing goes for the impact. I use the impact today. It is pretty heavy, but see, I'll squeeze it and you'll see the delay, maybe. So yeah, there's a delay, but it's pretty awesome. I've used DeWalt and Snap-on and stuff like that. It's pretty comparable to like a Snap-on. It's got a lot of torque. This Sawzall by Flex as well. Used a DeWalt Sawzall, Porter cable. I want to say a Makita, but I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. And this thing is awesome, but once again, it's heavy. I would not want to be using this all day. The weight counteracts some of the vibration when cutting. Sorry, it's about to storm. But it's heavy nonetheless. Good tools. I like them so far. We've only used them this one time, so can't really tell you too much about them. We'll see how long they last and what kind of work we can do with them. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Next, we will be cleaning the floor, cleaning the walls, pressure washing them, finding out what exactly we need lumber-wise to replace. And we will be filling the expansion joints. And yeah, we'll go from there. I know if you saw one of my first shop to barn video, I said it was like 8 yards of concrete, which clearly is a mistake. It was more like 32 yards of concrete to do the slab in the barn. So sorry about that, misspoke. I don't know what happened. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoy, and wait to hear me voice over. See ya.
So yeah, this part of the project was pretty simple. My dad was working the tractor and I was on top taking down the lights and all the wiring. The tools, like I said earlier, were pretty good. I like them. They're kind of heavy, like I've been saying. They're quite heavy actually, but they work well. This is our first time actually trying them out, so it did its job pretty well. Hopefully in the future they continue to do as good as they are. Towards the end of this, my dad and I looked at the roof, because that's one part of the project that we have to do still. And we noticed that whenever this barn was built, the roof line was actually cut short. So that's why there's rotted wood that we have to replace, because the roof paneling is 2 inches, it's probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches short of the exterior wall. So you have to extend the roof line by that margin in order to protect it from water. So that's one of the next things that we're going to be doing, is actually get it on the roof and putting more tin up there. So that'll be pretty interesting to see. We're doing it within the next few days, so I'll be making a video about that. I know that I said the next part is to fill in the cracks, not cracks, the expansion joints, but that will come. We would just have to pressure wash everything and clean it out and make sure that all the dust from cutting those expansion joints is out. We'll be filling the expansion joints with twine, and then this sealer polymer type material. It's kind of like caulking, so if you know what caulking is, you use a caulk gun, and that's what we're going to be doing. After we fix the roof, we're doing the expansion joints. Then after that, we're fixing the side tin and all the rotted wood that's in the barn, like on the exterior walls and the footprint of the roof. We found it's probably about 8-10 boards that we have to replace. We started working on that at the end of this video. That I'll allow to just play out, and you can just see my dad and I working like nonchalantly. So that'll be pretty cool. Maybe I'll do that more often, and just let the camera roll, and then y'all can see us just naturally working and cutting up and everything. I think that'd be kind of fun. So yeah, probably do that. The forks that we got with the tractor are actually skid steer forks, but the fact that we have a Kabota, they're able to attach to our tractor. So that's what we did. We got those. They have like a 4,000 or 4,400 lifting pound capacity, which is really good. So it'll be useful, especially moving hay. Now that we can just slide those forks inside the hay and just pick it up instead of using the ratchet straps. So I'm pretty excited about being able to do all that. I hope you all enjoyed the video. The last not 6 months, the last few minutes of the video is just us working and everything like that, just cutting up. So if you stick around for that and watch it, thank you so much. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I hope you all enjoy, and we'll be making a new video very shortly. So thank you, and see you then.
Oh, maybe not. Yeah, upside down. It's still gonna leave a nub like that one. Nah, I wouldn't even worry about that. Above it? Here?
cut those two, and we'll just take that section. Can you cut those like that or not?
It'll be very tricky. It's gonna end up rattling onto it.
No, leave this one for now. That'll come off, but wanted to. I guess we could cut them with the skill saw.
Yeah, because it's just gonna be a nub.
Nut sticking out.
Hold on. I got a battery.
You got her?
Yeah. Oh, that shit's just gonna come out.
There's a little bit too much meat left.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you give it another 8, it'll still not be in the metal, but. It's got it nailed from the outside.
We'll just try to pull it off. Be very careful.
How about this? Hold on. Can you get that behind?
Oh, yeah, that would suck.
That's what the box is screwed into.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Let's take this all off.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are really good. They're just heavy. heavy as I'll get out.
Well, you want to have me bring the tractor back over? You cut those screws behind it, like you just did on this one, on these 4. We got lumber to replace those, don't we?
I think we should just sister on and then nipple on.
If we sister on, we're not going to have any room.
Which means room for. Actually, don't replace it until we put the box up, because then we can frame it right.
All right.
So maybe you leave